Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account and also how to remove it. So first of all, let's open settings, then go to the account section, tap on add account, then select Google. You will need internet connection for this operation, of course. Next you have to enter your email or phone number, tap next. Next you have to enter your password, tap next. Next you have to agree with Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and for the last thing you have to tap accept here, and account is added. If you want to remove account, just select it here and tap on remove account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.